Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of my YouTube channel. My aim is to provide you with Finnish language videos. So today the first lesson is about the Finnish alphabet. First, let me describe you about it. So altogether there are 29 letters in the alphabet, meaning that 3 additional letters are added up. In the additional 3 letters, the Swedish letter O is also being used. So are you ready? Then let's begin. I will be telling you a Finnish word with the English meaning for each and every letter. And this word will show me how the letter is pronounced. A. Aurinko. B. Banaani. C. Chili. D. Delfini. E. Espagna. F. Farkut. G. Grilli. H. Hedelmät. I. Ikkuna. J. Jalka. Make sure that the sound of the letter J is that Y. K. Kylmä. L. Lelu. M. Muovi. N. Nainen. O. Opettaja. P. Puu. Q. Qatar. In the Finnish language, there are hardly any words beginning with the letter Q. R. Ruoka. S. Sakset. T. Taide. U. Uuni. V. Vesi. Kaksoisve. Vese. Notice that the letters V and the letter W are pronounced in the exact same way as ve. X. Xylophone. Y. Yksi. Z. Zoomata. As mentioned before, there are 3 more letters in the Finnish alphabet. So let's move on to them. Ruotsalainen O. Åland. Åland is an island near to the southwest to the Finland. Ä. Äiti. Ö. Öljy. Now, these are the 29 letters of the Finnish alphabet. Let's quickly revise to pronounce once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Make sure that the letter J is pronounced as P, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, kaksoisv, X, Y, Z. Now the additional 3 letters. Ruotsalainen O, Ä, Ö. Great job. Keepers, thank you for watching this video. Hope you were able to learn and pronounce the letters. If you like my video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet again in another video.